Shopify. Shopify was recognized in 2006 by Tobias Luck, Daniel Wynand, and Scott Lake. At first, three founders started their website called Snow Devil, which sells snowboarding equipment. With Shopify, you can style a user-friendly online store, create sales, post merchandise, and promotion. If you wish to create your store, you can make it out by yourself. Shopify is a subscription-based software-as-a-service sales platform. Shopify offers 4 customary store subscription plans with fees beginning at $29 per month. All customary plans support a branded online store and a full array of in-person and online marketing tools. Welcome to my channel, Mind You. To know about Shopify, watch this full video. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any opportunities. Shopify is a complete commerce platform that permits you to begin, grow, and manage a business. Shopify is an international. We have a propensity to empower entrepreneurs around the world to form, connect, and initiate their businesses. With merchants spanning over 175 countries, we offer entrepreneurs all over the platform building blocks and tools required to win in commerce. Shopify empowers inventive expression. We have a tendency to believe there ought to be a lot of distinctive voices, stories, and experiences, not fewer, and that's why we tend to style our product with the best quantity of extensibility, flexibility, and expression. Our expertise and leadership in commerce comes from the experiences of countless merchants on our platform. Their successes permit us to forecast and build the proper options to not only power commerce these days, but to assist shape and define what the industry seems like tomorrow. Shopify supports the whole e-commerce community, online, offline, and all over in between. We are home to the largest, most divergent set of merchants, developers, partners, and entrepreneurs. Shopify is the most integrated commerce platform right away. Shopify not solely centralizes entire commerce businesses, but also offers access to the widest set of commerce ecosystem integrations built using a shared technical framework. This deep integration and access ensures we got breadth and depth of themes, apps, channels, surfaces, product, and experiences. Shopify absorbs inessential complexity. We all know the globe is not designed for independent businesses to start out, scale, and succeed. That's why we have a tendency to create it as easy and accessible as doable to maximize entrepreneurs' access to growth tools. How will Shopify work? Shopify works by unifying your product information, customers, and operational tasks in one system that connects to all of your sales channels seamlessly. Once the necessities are in place, Shopify makes it simple to explore and expand into new product lines and sales channels. Here's a stepwise checkout how Shopify works from initial setup to managing sales. Number 1. Register for your free Shopify 14-day trial. Number 2. Connect your sales channels. Number 3. Enter your product information or find things to sell. Number 4. Set up your payments. Number 5. Set up shipping and taxes. Number 6. Process, ship, and track orders. Number 7. Set up your Shopify online store. Shopify is built to scale with you. Regardless of your technical maturity, growth, size, complexity, location, you will never lack access to technology and options to create your business, and you may never outgrow Shopify as your desires change, scale, or evolve. Owning an expert online sales website and making a stable source of income is often the need of companies. They are usually trying to expand their sales channels furthermore. As for people who are marketing online through social media like Facebook, Instagram, etc., and want to own a website to take your brand to subsequent level. What are the pros and cons of Shopify? To become one among the most widespread e-commerce platforms, Shopify has its reasons. It brings several benefits to buy owners. It is easy to us. This is the largest reason why e-stores love Shopify. Customers don't need to be a developer to make and launch a store. They do not even have the fundamental knowledge of coding or Camel like Magento to configure in the admin. A consumer are often supported by the Shopify team 24/7, any time of the day and any day of a week. You'll get facilitate from emails, chat, or by phone. Self-help options are out there with a vast library of self-support documentation. Shopify offers sellers many entirely free website interfaces in the Shopify theme store. In addition to the accessible themes, Shopify Theme Store also has different paid themes that have attention-getting interfaces. The appealing look of your store influences the majority of shoppers. Their themes are created with trust and skilled designers. You'll be able to try applying the demo to your store and choose if it meets your store's image. Shopify is renowned as an e-commerce platform with all-in-one package. Hosting, themes, cart practicality, and sales channel are all handled by Shopify. This could save a big amount of your time, money, and resources to create a web store. Facebook. Sell your Shopify things on a Facebook page. Amazon. Connect your store to Amazon Professional Trafficker. Pinterest. Sell your product directly through pins. Mobile apps. Sell on the apps that you build. Besides having several benefits, Shopify also has the disadvantages that store owners ought to take a glance before deciding to use. It will build your customers pissed off if the loading speed of your website is slow. The amount of sales can decrease considerably. Purchasers are more probably to leave website if they need to wait for more than 3 seconds to load. Site performance is a vital issue for online stores and avoids losing potential customers. You'll be able to create by yourself an online shop by Shopify and check its performance on BitCacha. Shopify permits shop owners to sell on different channels. Here are some supported channels by Shopify that you can integrate product easily. It is difficult to customize. The ease of use with almost all the essential options that new businesses need to build a web store is the advantage. However, it can also be the disadvantages for a few stores as each company has specific necessities. It's difficult to customize on Shopify as its language is Liquid, not open source platform. Especially, all themes in Shopify are coded by Liquid language. It means it's arduous to customize themes unless you know more in the coding of Liquid language or got to rent a developer who has in-depth knowledge of Shopify coding to do it for you. It had better choose a premium theme with the support if you would like to customize it. This may save your cash rather than coding it by yourself. Shopify doesn't typically have the options to satisfy those specific wants. This can be the reason where the add-ons appear. Several traders end up wanting to obtain some add-ons to optimize their online business. Most of Shopify's current plugins charge monthly. Although you'll get several useful plugins from the Shopify app market, many of them are not free. However, if a selected paid apps will assist you save time or change your advancement, it would be value to pay money for them. You'll choose them rigorously and only opt for ones that you simply cannot live without. How to sell your products on Shopify. The first step to create an e-commerce business is to determine that product you want to sell directly to shoppers. This is often the foremost difficult part of beginning a new business. You can find the ideas for products to sell in numerous ways like on the net, recommendation from people that have expertise within the trade. You'll survey to gather the thought from shoppers. Once you've got a product plan in mind, evaluating the idea is an important step. You need to own a list to assess the market to confirm that you simply have the answer to deal with the challenge. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding this, let us know in the comment section. Like and subscribe the video, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye, and take care.